Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make another Independence Day special dish, Tricolor rice paper rolls. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. Note down or screenshot them. You'll also need this rice paper. This rice paper is easily available in Asian markets. Pour some warm water into a deep plate. Now dip this rice paper into the plate. Make sure that it's softened but not too soggy. Soak it for not more than 20 seconds and then transfer it into a clean plate. It's time for filling and rolling the rolls. As today's theme is Independence Day, we are going to use only 3 colors, 3 ingredients. That's lettuce, rice noodles and carrots, orange, white and green. You can go ahead and be creative and add any sort of veggies. You can add cucumbers, avocado, radish or even cooked meat. Once the filling is stuffed, let's close this rice paper very neatly. Use the same method to roll your rice paper and your rice paper rolls are ready. You can serve these spring rolls or rice paper rolls with peanut butter dip or any other refreshing dip. I hope you liked and enjoyed watching this video and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.